Hi guys!
Back in March
2015.
2023, we were at a teen retreat in Mexico.
So what a teen retreat is when you live without your parents and with other teens for 9 or more days. But we did for 9 days
In Mexico.
with parental guidance.
Here in this video is one of the snippets of the teen retreat.
Uh-huh.
And there's gonna be a bigger one and more coming out soon.
Yeah.
See you there. Today is sessions day.
So today it's going to do a cooking session and we're gonna make tamales. Okay guys, let's go to the cooking
hope you
class.
enjoy watching.
Yeah, let's go.
Something interesting, something intriguing. What's up guys? Welcome back to another YouTube video. My name is Cosimo. This is my sister Emma right here. That's my Italian father. He's gonna teach us how to make peachy today. This is my dad.
This is my babushka. So this is our chef today, Xalapa. She's going to teach us how to make tamales.
First, we have the masa. This is corn with water, and we're gonna mix it with pork flour.
Pork fat.
Yeah, it's basically
It looks like
So while she's mixing this, we have tomatoes and chiles. We need to let them boil. And we're gonna grind them, and we're gonna mix garlic, onion, and pepper, and then we're gonna mix it with the corn. We don't use dry corn. We use a little bit of lime to help the corn to get soft and to peel off. So these are called tamales rancheros. They're traditional in Veracruz, in all of this region. A little bit of warm water. You have to mix it a lot so the tamal, when it comes out, it's soft. So if you don't do a great job, it's gonna be super hard. Okay.
Now Cosimo's going to mix.
So you just spin it.
Yeah. Mr. Worldwide.
Just spin it?
Get your hands in there. Yeah, there you go.
Oh, both?
No, one hand. One hand can work.
3 hands.
Three hands.
And your chin.
And my chin. Oh, it's so soft.
Yeah. Just go for exactly.
So it's just water and masa and lard.
And salt. And and it's sliding. It's not sticking at all. So you know it's ready when it's not sticky. We have the chipotle and the tomatoes. Chile chipotle is ready because it's super soft, and the tomatoes are super soft and they're peeling. Look.
The tomato with boiling water start to doing this is the time when you can peel it.
You can peel it.
Se te salió una sonrisa y yo con eso pregunté ¿por qué llevas tanta prisa?
No water, just whatever came out of the tomatoes and the chile. And look at the consistency of the sauce, and the color and the smell. Smell it.
Get a good whiff. Oh my gosh! Wow, that smells good.
Wow, it smells so nice.
I want to smell it.
I want to eat it so badly.
There you go. I approve.
Babushka approved.
And here we're gonna cook the tamales. Right now we're boiling water. We're gonna put water at the bottom. This on top.
This is the lid, the bottom, and you put the tamales in there.
So this is gonna create steam for the
Start
tamales to
boiling.
cook.
Water under here, steam coming up, and tamales get cooked. This is the future, guys.
Lady, I need an extra good description for the video. Describe it. They can't taste any of this.
Oh my God, this has got a smoky hickory flavor, and combined with the tomato, it's got this super rich flavor. You have to try it, it's divine. And we don't get tamales like this in different places of Mexico. This is specific for this region, and this is the first time I've tasted this particular sauce. Oh my God, it's so good. My mouth is watering.
Wow, that was very descriptive. I would have just said it's good, but wow, Lainey, good job.
Banana leaf.
Break the spine.
Yeah, a little bit.
So it's flat. Little bit of the dough. The sauce.
Each one of us gonna put 2 pieces of meat inside the tamale.
2 pieces per tamale.
That's all you do?
That's all you do.
Wow, professional. Why do you have to cook it with the leaf, the tamale?
It takes the form.
But could you do it without the tamale and just like make this? Does it always need the leaf? Yeah.
It's not traditional.
Good, but like.
But this is the way they do it.
The leaf also adds flavor.
Yeah.
Look at that, so simple.
Yes. No. So professional. You
Kind of
mean?
like a baby's diaper.
Okay.
Baby's diaper.
Inside.
Look at all the tamales. Okay. She pours the water. So she puts the water after the tamale.
After. And now they're gonna steam.
For how long?
2.5 hours because it needed to boil. It's gonna start boiling again, and then it's gonna cook for 2 hours.
Okay.
Okay.
So now I'm gonna do it live with Lainey. Let's see if this is gonna be so good.
Hold on, it just has to.
Okay, I'll give you a second.
Oh, here we go.
Checking connection.
What are we gonna say?
Hi everyone. We are here after doing the mural yesterday. We are making tamales.
Tamales, right, Emma?
Yes, it's tamale day. And
Tamale day?
we're also
Like a holiday, but a tamale day. I love
Let
it.
me show you
I
how.
love it. So what was the process?
so the process was we first had to make the
Dough?
The dough, yeah. And it was
time to taste the tamale that we made today that we were supposed to have for lunch, but they weren't ready, so we're having them for dinner.
But I like off that album. Pop It. I think that's my favorite track.
NBM guys.
It's really good.
This is so yum. So good. It tastes better knowing we did it by hand.
Yeah.
You guys should have been in it.